steering control is quite easy to operate. It's in an unconventional position underneath your knees, but your hands fall naturally to it. The brakes, this one on the right operates the front brake, and the left hand brake lever operates the brakes on the rear.
There are no gears, so how do you go backwards?
To go backwards, which you don't often need to do, then you just wheel the vehicle backwards by getting outside, or you can scoot by rotating the wheels backwards for small manoeuvring, or you can put your leg over the side and scoot with your foot.
Now, I've got you here to explain it to me, but let's say one of these was delivered to my door. How would I learn to drive it?
When it's delivered, there will be a complete handbook with it, and we would advise all users to read the handbook and understand the handbook before they start using the vehicle.
The C5 is simple to drive. All the controls, apart from the pedals, are on handlebars underneath your knees. The vehicle is designed for outside use, and in Britain that usually means driving in the rain. So, how do you keep dry?
Your vehicle is dry if you've got your tonneau cover. So as you arrive at the vehicle, you just take it off and put it inside the locking boot.
So there is storage space as well?
Yes, there is, yes, locking, yes. And what you have on the vehicle here is half of a weather protection system that's been developed. These are canvas doors, effectively, that protect you from cold wind when it's not necessarily raining. They open to get in and out like that. The other half of the weather protection system is that garment on the wall, which you wear around as a normal rain top. It'll fit over an overcoat, for example. And when it rains, you open a kangaroo pouch sort of affair and pull out an apron, really, that velcros on to these side stripes on the pocket, and that seals you in with enough room to pedal.